Hello everybody, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Photoshop class number 9. So in this class we will going to learn pen tool and several shape tool. Okay, you see here some shape here, just we are going to do some a little bit more shape, and I'm gonna show you how many easy way to understand this tool. Okay, so don't talk here, let's move on. So everybody, you see this is Photoshop window. Now first time I need to take a new document. So control, select a page size and then OK. Maximize. And first I show you this pen tool. You can make any design, use this tool. Okay, let me show you. Okay. And okay, I think you got it, and you can do also any flag. Okay, which you want, and you can change a color also from here. Okay, and we are going to learn a next tool. Oh, before I want to show, so first I select this option, and the next option we choose this place, and hold your mouse left key and drag, and okay, and release the button. Okay, this is not good. Okay, just I show you. You can do much more better than me. Okay, and now I change a circle color, just I give another color. Okay, so this is a flag, and now we will going to learn a next option. This is free from pen tool. Okay, this tool is very easy, just you move your mouse and you select anything. Okay, you haven't any click anywhere, any places, just you press your mouse left button and create anything. Okay, you create anything. So I think you got it, this tool. And the next tool is add anchor point. So now I see this option. I thought must be 3 anchor point in this shape, but now I add a more anchor point. So what is the anchor point? Let me show you. So this is an anchor point. Okay, this is an anchor point, you see. So 1, 2, 3. I add also this point. Okay, and I add also add plus symbol is show. Now I click on this. Okay, you see the anchor point is added, and I click on this, so anchor point is added. Okay, you can change any direction. Okay, you can do it, and you can change any direction here also, and this place also. So I think you got it. Okay, this tool what does. And this is a delete anchor point also. You can delete any anchor point, delete this one, delete this one, this one also, and this one. So you see I delete all the anchor point, and the next tool is, and this is convert point. Okay, so this tool just you can convert and you can resize any anchor point. Okay, let me show you. I resize that. Okay, you can resize any point. So before that you should know your keyboard control button press down and your mouse left button press down, and then you can move any places this anchor point. Okay, you can move any places. Okay, so you can move any places. Okay, so I think you got it, all tools actually what does, and when we are use these tools, you use this tool. Okay, actually how to use and how much use a better way. And the another option is here, the path selection tool and direct selection tool. So this is similar to work. Okay, just let me show you. So direct selection tool. So first let me show you path selection tool. So you can move this shape any places, and the path selection tools, which is work this part. Okay, you haven't pressed any key, you can do it directly. Okay, you can do it directly. This is path selection tool, and this also you maintain here. Okay, and this is path selection tool. Just okay, so I think you got it, this tool. And the ready-made shape is here: rectangular, round, relief tool, polygon tool, line, and custom shape something. So now I show you these tools. So before, I need to select all those things, and I deleted all thing. Okay, everybody, we are going to learn a next tool, which is these tools. So this is safe. Every tools is safe. Just you check yourself. This is safe. You see on the above bar here, if you have got also this option here. Okay, you have take all those things, and this is line, and this is custom. Okay, so and you can change a color here from here. Okay, this shape color changed, and if you want to change this color, then select on this and change a color. Okay, and you see this is next option, which is more shape. You can got a more shape from here. You can draw this shape. Okay, you can draw also this shape. Okay, and then another tools is add, subtract, and universal, something like that. I show you these tools before video. And now we are to see the next tool is a style, and you can change any style. For example, I select this shape, and I give them also the style. Okay, you see, you can change your shape style from here. Okay, and this is color, I see you before. Okay, and these are also same thing. Okay, so okay everybody, I optimistic you understand or you see all tool, and I believe that you use these tools, and you can do anything from this Photoshop, and I'm pretty sure you make all those things and you use all those things. So, or if you have any doubt this tool, or if you have is a very complicated to use this tool, first you go my comment section and comment me actually what kind of tools you didn't understand. I understand to you again. Okay, so this tutorial is enough for today, and I hope guys we are going to next tutorial, and in the next video is upcoming another tools. So have a good day.